up, everyone? I'm at my buddy Lester's, and he's got a treat for me downstairs. Let's go check it out. About to see what's up.
Someone just like emailed me, and in Mississippi they got that anniversary edition tags.
Get the lighting up. Nice, perfect lighting.
Nice.
Woo!
Well, here you go. Doesn't look like much.
Oh yeah. We know what's up. We know what this is.
Here's my little guy.
88 special edition.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with the tack, the Cyclops size. Let's see this thing.
Bong.
Yeah, it's got boinked.
Yep.
But it's all good.
Can we pull it out?
Yeah, the arrow packed.
See what is
Hobbit's
missing
free.
anything? I want to give you a... Nah, I bet it's fine. Oh yeah, you just need the airbox.
Oh yeah.
Cha-ching. Yeah, let's pull it on upstairs, and we can put it in on the lift if you want to, or...
Dude, heck yeah. Right on.
AF-16, the last one I have. Ooh, I love it.
Nice. Hell yeah. And then this one right here, though. God damn, that's clean. I've never seen a color like this on the tack.
Really?
Nuh-uh. It has all this information: flush, surface, bioshape, styling, twin focus, headlight, center helmet, trunk. Like what the fuck? Mine doesn't say that.
Yeah. Well, mine's really talkative. Mine enjoys talking a lot of shit.
Hell yeah, it's got a center.
Full mark, tax. Yeah, it has more on this side too. Oh yeah, right here. Just say all that stuff. Flash,
Like,
surface, bioshape,
shit.
styling, twin focus headlight, center helmet trunk.
Okay.
So that's pink, right? On their candy red with the pink line. Yeah, that's
pink,
so cool.
A pink accent to go along with it. Oh. That's it.
Is that yours?
No, that one's square.
Right. The lineup of Honda Expresses.
The Express. The Express is
loves
Express. Yeah. You hear that? If anyone wants,
love them.
if you love the Expresses, hit us up. I wonder.
Go on. Here. Oops, that way you can. Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. What is this? Is that open? Yeah. Yeah, there's some shrouds. Or not some shrouds.
Yeah, part of the Hoover.
It's a airbox, some cablies.
Yeah.
That. Maybe the cover is twisted. It's on there. It's there. It's just twisted off.
Well, look at you, lucky face.
Yeah. We'll see you upstairs.
What?
Looks like the front wheel needs to be replaced. It's missing the starter, the headset. Whenever it got tipped over, the kickstart poked a hole through the transmission, but still on here pretty good.
Check it out. A purple Honda Elite. Honda got.
Oh, got a little bit of gunk in there. What is that?
I think you'll be able to do a lot with this.
A little crud that just fell in. Ain't nothing. It'll come out.
You are meticulous, so.
Yeah, you know how I do things.
Yeah.
Oh, I know exactly what it is. It's the brake light. It's not even here.
Oh yeah, you don't need it, do you?
Well, yeah, I need it so I can convert to the JDM.
Oh, okay. We'll find it. You gotta show me what it looks like, though.
Oh, we'll find it.
Yeah, it's somewhere in here.
All right, looks like we got an Elite SR. It looks like it can get cleaned up. Let's see what it looks like when it's all cleaned up, though. It's the next day, and I'm gonna go pick up the bike with my truck. Let's go. Made it. It's time to pick up this Elite SR. We gotta help move these bikes, though.
Push all these back up.
See, he even said so. I knew it. All right. She's all loaded up. You know what time it is. We got the Honda SR, and what happened was it was in a front end collision. Totally warped out the forks here. So just to show the steering stem how out of whack it is, this is the correct steering stem I'm going to be replacing it with. And look at that. It bent it back that much. So I can only imagine how hard he hit whatever, a car or whatever. I got the spare one from my last video where I was restoring my tact, and so I'm going to put that one on here. And then once I swap over this here steering stem, then we'll get to work on completing the body. After that, S23 big bore kit, I guess almost a clone of the NCY that I have on the tact. So it's going to be powerful, it's going to be torquey, it's going to have that low end. First things first, got to assemble this front end. Got it all nice looking, and I think this is where I'm gonna call it, because I still gotta fiddle with the gas tank and the and I pulled the motor. So in the next video I'll go ahead and show the build of this AF-16, because it's about time to start working on this. That way I can be on the road. So yeah, it only took a day to get this fully assembled. See you in the next video.